Welcome to Beyond Just Money with me, Samta, and today we have the head of content of Calkine Media, Ms. Nidhi Sinha, as our guest speaker. Today we are discussing the growth in telemedicine as the COVID-19 pandemic has disrupted the healthcare system globally. We will also discuss about telehealth companies or stocks that are gaining investors' attention in this scenario. So, without any further ado, welcome Nidhi to Beyond Just Money.
Thank you, Samta, for having me on the show.
Well, if we talk about the current emergency, it is anticipated that the telehealth or telemedicine could be the future of medicine, giving people remote access to healthcare. So, I would request you to first take us through the importance of telehealth amid the whole COVID-19 pandemic.
Absolutely. Telemedicine has become the need of the hour. Initially, the use of telemedicine was to provide medical assistance either in areas where access to care is difficult to reach or in rural areas. The current emergency condition amid the ongoing pandemic has led to the use of telemedicine for various clinical practices. Besides, with new evidence and technological advancement of devices, telemedicine has become a valuable tool for screening diseases. It has also played a huge role in improving mental health amid the pandemic. COVID-19 has caused severe psychological impacts such as anxiety, depression, and phobia. Moreover, financial failures and economic pressure due to the lockdowns and restrictions have created further pressure. Several countries have in fact implemented telemedicine facilities through email, smartphone apps, video conference, and telephones to prevent problems related to mental health.
Moving on, you had also mentioned that telemedicine is effective in screening diseases. So, how does that work?
Telemedicine has a significant role in screening symptoms of COVID-19 and providing routine needs and follow-up care. With the explosive increase in new COVID cases, many patients remain in home isolation, and telehealth remains the only viable option available to monitor and ensure timely referrals to such people. Further, telehealth services are an effective method to offer remote access to quality healthcare services to people without increasing the risk of infection transmission.
So, how else does telemedicine help, especially in these rough times?
Telemedicine can play a very important role in epidemiological surveillance, in identifying hotspots, estimating the disease burden, and providing control measures for the disease. Besides, this platform can also be utilized to educate individuals and families on various risk factors. The World Health Organization has mentioned telemedicine among its recommendations for essential services in bolstering the response of healthcare systems to the COVID-19 strategy.
Totally, Nidhi. Would you like to throw some light on 3 ASX listed telehealth stocks for our listeners?
Of course, the first one in the list is OneView Healthcare. This ASX listed digital health provider offers digital tools for patients, families, and caregivers for improving the care experience. The company helps to deliver more control for patients and families, more time for care teams, along with less complexity for executives and IT teams. It is also imperative to know that as on 23rd April, one shares last traded at Australian dollars 0.385, which was up 4.054%. In the second place, I would like to talk about Global Health Limited. This one is a leading provider of digital health solutions and is working with the vision of connecting clinicians and consumers. The company helps simplify the delivery of healthcare services and offers better health outcomes through several health divisions, including acute as well as community settings. Additionally, it offers various solutions including clinical records, consumer health records, electronic medical records, patient administration systems, patient engagement platforms, and secure message exchange apart from other things. As on 23rd April, its shares closed at Australian dollars 0.530, which was in line with their previous close. The third in the row is Heramed Limited. It is a pioneering medical data and technology company leading in the digital transformation of maternity care. The company provides a proprietary platform that uses hardware and software to reform the doctor-patient relationship by using its clinically validated in-home fetal and maternal heart rate monitor, artificial intelligence, cloud computing, Herabeat big data, as well as a digital social networking dashboard. Its shares ended at Australian dollars 0.155, which was up 10.714% as on 23rd April.
Well, that's an interesting list to know about, Nidhi. And before we end this session, do you have a takeaway note for our listeners today?
Well, absolutely. In fact, amid the surge in COVID cases, telemedicine and virtual care have become quite essential tools for providing care to patients while keeping healthcare workers and patients safe. Then it has also helped protect the healthcare needs of entire communities. These solutions have been really helpful during lockdown restrictions and have also provided a lot of convenience.
That's such a sigh of relief, and thank you so much for sharing your insights with our listeners today. I'm sure our listeners enjoyed listening to it as much as we enjoyed bringing it for you. And to our listeners who want to listen to this podcast again, please log on to calkinemedia.com, or you can go on to our YouTube channel. We have a lot of videos over there, and do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit that bell icon to get the latest notification on the new videos. Till we see you next on yet another insightful episode of Beyond Just Money. Stay apprised and invest wise with Calkine, your best guide.